Hello student, welcome to MJC Learning. In this video, we'll discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12 and also we'll learn the important subtopic in the chapter Sources of Corporate Finance. Retained earnings. Student, retained earning is the second type of own fund. Own fund means second type of internal source from where company raise the finance in its business. Let us study what does it mean. Has retained means to keep and earning means profit. Here retained profit is said to be that part of profit of the company which is not distributed to the shareholders as dividend. Is retained. Retained means to keep, to save by the company in the form of reserve fund. This reserve are retained profit of the company. इसका मतलब है ये कंपनी का वो पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉफिट कहलाता है जो कंपनी डिविडेंड करके शेयर होल्डर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करती है. ये वो प्रॉफिट है जो कंपनी ने फ्यूचर के लिए बिजनेस के लिए रिजर्व मीन्स सेव करके रखा है, उसे कहते हैं रिटेन्ड प्रॉफिट. It is also known as plowing back of profit. Why it is said? Because such part of profit that company keeps in reserve and use it whenever it is required in the business. That's why it is said to be the plowing back of profit and also retained earning, retained profit. Let us study determinants of retained earnings. Students, determinants means factors. Retained earnings, it is nothing but savings. तो ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर्स है जो डिटरमाइन करते हैं रिटेन्ड प्रॉफिट कंपनी के पास ज़्यादा रहेगा या कम रहेगा. सो देर आर 4 डिटरमिनेंट्स. द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज टोटल अर्निंग्स ऑफ द कंपनी. इफ देर इज एम्पल प्रॉफिट मीन्स इनफ प्रॉफिट, company can save part of the profit. That is, more the earning, a company can save more. Yes student, the company's retained earning is determined by the company's total earning. If company is earning more profit, if company is making more profit, a company can save more for its future. Second determinant is taxation policy. The taxation policy of government is also an important determinant of corporate saving. This point means depending on the government tax rate, the retained profit, the retained earning is determined of the company. That is, if government charges high rate of tax, then the saving will be less of the company. If the government charges low tax rate, then the saving of the company will be high. Third determinant is dividend policy. A conservative dividend policy is needed for having good accumulation of profit. Yes student, there should be not much changes in the terms and condition of the payment of dividend to the shareholders. Otherwise, it will affect the saving of the companies. This point means the retained earning is determined by the company's dividend policy. When company gives high rate of dividend to the shareholders, then the saving of company will be less. And when company gives less rate of dividend, then they save more for the future. Fourth determinant, that is the last determinant, that is government control. A government is a regulatory body of the economic system of the country. Its policies, rules and regulations ensures that the company's work as per its regulations. This is true students. So here this point also determines the company's retained earning. If the government control is high, then the saving of the company is less. If the government control is low, then the saving of the company is more. So students, these were the four determinants of the retained earning. Thank you.